Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little different, kind of a little blast in the past, at least for me it is. So back when I was transitioning, a lot of the times I would always hear, since I had multiple different curl patterns, curl textures, my curls were a hot mess. A lot of people would recommend start finger coiling your hair. So since I had a lot of heat damage, it's nearly impossible to curl heat damage, so I would always try to curl it and my ends would curl, but the middle was still straight. The top was like frizzy, so it just never worked out. So I figured what better time to try it than now that I have a whole head of unison curls and switch it up a little bit. And so if you're interested in watching me do that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video, and follow me on my social platforms that I will tag right here below, and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I think the hardest part is kind of figuring out what two products you want to use as your concoction for today. So I decided I'm going to use the Bounce Curl Avocado and Rose Oil Clump Curl Cream. And I'm going to pair that with the Wetline Extreme Gel, which is my go-to favorite gel. So let's see how this works out. It's going to take a while because I do have a lot of hair, but why not? Why not? I don't know how long this takes, but I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning off my hair in smaller sections and work my way up, because it's probably the best way to get the best results, because I try to take small sections, but they always turn out big because I always want to end up finishing fast. So small sections it is, so that way we have the best finger coils out here. I brush out my curls just to make sure I don't have any tangles. I am using the Curl Keeper Flexi Brush, again, one of my faves. And I don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just going to go with the flow, because if there's a proper way to do it and I'm not doing it right, don't come for me, because I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going based off of what my curl feels like and following the curl pattern. Like, I know you're supposed to twist in the way that your curl curls. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me tell you guys about this Bounce Curl Clump Cream. Let me tell you, a little really does go a long way, and it smells so freaking good. So when I saw the size of the bottle, I was like, this is way too little. I'm gonna run through this bottle so quickly. I didn't even use that much, and look how much it lathered on my hand. So I'm gonna use this on this section. I'm gonna style how I would normally style my hair and then coil them after. So I'm gonna rake this through. Oh my gosh, this product smells so good. Bounce Curl's products always smell super good. If you're someone who's not into fragrances, I can see how that could be a turnoff for some people, but I do love anything with good smelling products. I'm not really someone who's opposed to fragrance. Alrighty, so that's in my hair. Makes your hair feel super moisturized too. So that is officially in my hair. So I'm gonna grab some of the Wetline Extreme Gel and just rake it in. Juicy. Now I'm going to do the rest of my head and I will come back and show you my final results, just so you're not here watching me for the next few hours. Alright, so I'm all done. This took me about a total of 30 minutes. These are my final wet results. We shall see how they dry. I think I'm going to diffuse them because I don't want to wait to see how they dry. But we shall see how this turns out. This is how they look from the back. This helps at all. These are a closer look of them. I think they're gonna turn out really good. They took forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry them and then I will come back and show you guys the final results. So we'll see. Alright guys, so these are my final results. My curls are crazy defined. I don't think I've ever seen them this defined before. But the problem is that the front pieces don't tend to curl. Do you guys see this? For some reason, my front pieces just get so frizzy, and it's probably the most frustrating thing. But what I'm going to do is just re-wet them and just re-twist them just to make sure they all look good. But overall, I love these results. I just have to spend a lot of time just breaking up the curls because there's so many of them that are clumped together. So I will do that. I didn't want to do all that today because that would have taken way too much time. I might just let the curls just go over time and just get big on its own. But guys, look at this definition. It's crazy. They came out looking so good. And I'm actually very happy with my results. Aside from my front pieces, for some reason, they just don't know how to act. Can you just look at them? Like, what is wrong with you? Start doing them a lot more, especially for those days that I want like that extra definition. Once I get down the like separating the curls, the right concoction, although these look like they worked really well together. With that being said, these are my final results. I love them and I will definitely redo this again, but they just aren't separated and big. But I actually don't mind having them a little flat from time to time. So yeah, these are my final results. I hope you guys liked this video. Again, these take, I want to say it took me like a total of like 30-35 minutes just to like twist each one after styling. So again, it is kind of time consuming, but we'll see how long they last. And I will get back to you guys actually. I might check in with you guys tomorrow to see how they look. Alright, so it's been about 3 days since I last finger coiled my hair. So as you guys can see, the definition is definitely still there. I did separate my curls the day after and I fluffed them out a bit. I didn't want to fluff them out too much to make my hair too big. So I do love the way they came out. I'm very pleased with the product concoction that I created and how well they mixed together and just the hold and the definition and how soft my curls feel. I love it. The front pieces, like I said, were not cooperating. I did refresh the next day using the same products, twisted them and then diffused them. And I'm going to see if I can insert a picture because I did take a picture. And my hair looked fabulous. The only issue is that over time the front was still getting super frizzy, so I was just like, forget it. It is going up, and that is why it's half up, half down today. But yeah, these are my final results. I would most definitely do finger coiling again. I think I need to figure out the perfect method for the front though. I think it's just a matter of trial and error, and I will figure it out. And when I do, I will make a whole new video for you guys. But just take a look at these results. They came out pretty fabulous, I'm not gonna lie. That is all for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below and I will answer them all for you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!